Hello guys, my name is Satinder Punya, and as you can see that I'm providing you with a great and good content with the right solution, and also you will gonna be fluent in a few month week. You will see improvising in your body language, in your subconsciously mind, and also my channel is providing a very solution that how you gonna solve your problem. So that's why I'm just making and creating this content creation journey. And look, my topic today's topic is very clear that how important is gym and fitness. Okay, I'm giving you a best example that why you have to always fitness and gym. Look, don't take this thing that you shouldn't walk, you shouldn't exercise. Look, no. Look, I'm giving you a very best one example. 70% divorce, extramarital affair, and cheating in partner with that common. I mean, this is a very common thing. Okay, in a 2026. I mean, it's a in corporate thing you can easily see, and most of the I mean, in a very rare cases that you're gonna see that today is a very honest relationship. Okay, very honest relationship. Otherwise, you always just see that ugly, and you see. I really can't describe it. But most of all, 70% divorce cases. Look, I am living in that. I have seen many girls. Okay, who divorce and now they are live or die, I don't know. Okay, but I have seen many girls and men also. I mean, who are they? I never I wasn't like them that time also, but I'm giving you a very best example. Look, they tell the society and tell their parents that his mother is problem, his brother is problem, his sister is problem. But main problem is what? You know what? Intercourse, sex. Main problem is fitness. Look, in my neighbor, I have seen this kind of man. I mean, this divorce is a very natural thing. Divorce, false rape cases, extramarital affair. These all are just very simple and normal thing. Very simple. But deeply, I'm telling you what is the main problem: gym and fitness. This is the main problem. And look, their parents also know that this is the problem. Okay, but we are living in that society where sex is taboo. You can't talking about that. How you just intercourse is. I mean, you can't anything. In you can see that many you are seeing that arranged marriage, love marriage, and after 3 or 4 days, very ugly fight. 3 or 4 days, very ugly fight. I mean, they want to be brutal in 3 or 4 days. Why? Every society man, everyone know that what is the problem. Everyone know, but they will not discuss. They all will discuss. They look. Society will always make fun of you. Okay, society gonna always look. I have seen a very brutal fight in my house. I have seen many brutal fight. Look, I have never seen any my relative, any my neighbor. I have never seen any. They all just make a good fun. Yes, we will discuss tomorrow. But this is the main problem which no one want to discuss. No one want to solve this problem. First of all, leave them all. I'm telling you a very great solution. Just listen to very carefully, because you are 15 and 20 kids, student, and you are preparing these things. But I'm giving you a very best example. First of all, leave them. Okay, just uh, um, don't talk them, because they, if you will gathering them, they will want to make you like this. Okay, they will show you, the society has a man described. Okay, uh, you should beat your wife, you should tell them wife that you are a man. Okay, this is the symbol of a man. Okay, they will not give you the right solution that you have fitness. Leave that all bad habit, just make your body and just fit yourself. Okay, that's why she gonna be happy. No, they will not get advice, they will advise them, just tell her that you are a man. And this is a case that you can see all this. And look, no one will tell you this thing, no one will tell you this thing, because everyone want to make a fun. That's why I'm giving you, look, Mr. even Akshay Kumar said it, that even every single day you should give at least 1 hour to your body. Just make a walk, just make a walk. If you are in a office, corporate, and all these, construction company, at least walk. I have done in construction company in 1.5 years, but I have seen that people were too much ugly. People were too much ugly. Okay, so that's why I just left him, and I just left with full of look, don't be afraid to everywhere, anywhere. Okay, if you are a man, you will see everything very clearly. Okay, but I'm giving you best example, that don't think that these all are they think you are seeing that. And look, also I'm giving you that people don't understand the word of izzat. Okay, they don't know this word is about self-respect. Okay, how you are honored with them, how you are, I'm giving a very best example. I have seen many times my father were whole day in drinking alcohol, and in my village people, they just want to make love, they just want to make happy. Society, look, no one, society will always want to make fun. Okay, just clear the thing. Your society, your relative, only you can help yourself. First of all, this is the thing you have to sit in your mind. Only this is how you're going to solve the problem. You are seeing that these women, you are seeing that all day, all night. What is this? You are seeing that these all many women, you are seeing that every day. Look, this is the problem. This is the main problem. But so if you, first of all, if you are a teenager, I'm just giving you a very, very best example. Look, give your time to your body, your career, and then just choose all these things that you should girlfriend or marrying. This is the later thing, but first of all, major 2 things that you really should know. You have to give your time, your body, and your career. If you are 16 and 20 age, most and one of the very most important thing is this. Okay, and your 15% problem gonna be automatically solved. Okay, I really think that my channel is very helping you, and I'm providing you a very good content. And please, if you like share and subscribe my channel, and we will discuss many more things. Okay, every day I'm making a video and uploading it and making a content, proper content. Just watch, just because my audience can show. And also I'm giving you guys, never ever be demonetized, demotivated. Okay, sorry, I used a very wrong word. Never ever be demotivated. Okay, if you live in a forest and if you have a talent, you're gonna be success in your life. Even live in your forest. If you just see, look at the India, 17-80% India is a rural India, village India, 17-80%. But you can easily see people success, got success, bunch of success. So I'm just upgrade your skill, upgrade your talent. You got to be success in a forest also. Look, just watch. I'm recommending you a movie, Apollo Crypto. Apollo Crypto is a movie. You will see that you will never be alone. Okay, in a forest, a kind of island, a kind of palace. You will get a help, but you have to first survive yourself. You have to first take care of yourself. Thank you very much.